In this tutorial, I will show you how to add positive and negative trend arrows in Excel. Firstly, let's format data. We will calculate the percentage change between 2 years. Drag the percentage change formula. To add up and down arrows, select an empty cell. Then, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Symbols group, click Symbol. From the Symbol dialog box, firstly, select the symbols. Secondly, select Arial from the Font drop-down list. Further, select Geometric Shapes from the Subset drop-down list. Select the Up symbol, and then click Insert. To add a down arrow, follow the same steps. The up and down arrows both are added to the selected cells. We will use these two cells to fill the column with percentage changes. We will use the if function to add up and down arrows in Excel. Write this formula. Press F4 key to use absolute reference. And we have the percentage change with the trend indication arrows. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.